Hello everyone, welcome to my channel SS Solutions. In this video I will show you how you can fix the mic issue in your device Reno 4Z, OPPO Reno 4Z. So if in this device, if you are having any problem related to the mic, like your mic is not working during the calls or not working for the recordings or any other mic issue, you can fix it by the method as I will show you. So before you move on to the video, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Now follow the steps and watch the video and you will learn how you can fix the mic problem in your device OPPO Reno 4Z. Let's watch it.